Hey. Let us continue our learning. From previously, I have shown you how to do a git reset hard and a git reset soft. Now we'll learn and we talk about branch origin management. From branch management, now let us talk about origin management, where we'll talk about the link from your local repository or your local project, the link which you are using like a gateway to reach the online project. And an origin, it is a link which is helping you to reach or to fetch or to pull or to do whatever you want from local to online. Now from our project, if there is three main queries, there is git add origin, git remote add origin, git remote rm origin to remove the origin. There is also git remote show origin. Now for that, let me do git remote show origin, and you can see with that query I have the origin which is from my git repository which I have locally. This is the local origin from our local project to the online one. Now I can remove that link by doing git remote rm origin if I want to change it to another one. Now if I run again git remote show origin, you can see here we have that fatal error, which is origin does not appear to be a git repository. Means now it is not recognize it again because I have removed it. But I want now to add it again. Just of course, if I don't have that link, I will come here online. I will click here on from my repository. I click on code and I will copy this origin, that link. Then I open my VS Code. I will do git remote add origin. Then I will paste the link. Then I enter. If I run again git remote show origin, of course now it will detect the origin which is already detected. If I do git remote push origin master, git remote git push origin, git push origin master. Now you can see I have everything's up to date because everything is setted like the origin is. But if I came here in the file and I say add new things from the 10th December 2023 and I just save and I do here git add all. Sorry, let me just clear to have a clean console. I do git add all to add the change, git commit -m. I add a message. Let me say adding test for remote origin check on 10th December 2023 and I do git push origin master. Now it will push because there's change which was made. I clear it. Now after that, if I came online, you can see there is had a recent push 4 seconds ago. Now let us assume I came here. Here this is our local project. I created that project by doing what we call a git clone. Now let me create locally a project and I will push it online. I can come here, do cd ... I'm inside. Now let me create a directory, make mkdir test project 2. Now cd test project 2. Now from here I do nothing, but of course let me do something. Let me just open VS Code from that part. I can come here, open a new window. Now from the new window, I can click on File, open folder, document, and through Git test project to open. Of course, there is nothing. Let me create a file here. I call it test project 1.php. Let us assume it's a PHP script. Now I came here and I do echo hello world. I don't know every time developers start by hello world, but I think maybe it is the first word which can come in the head when you are thinking about it. Now after that, let me go online now. I create another repository, a new one now. I can come here on repositories, I click on new. Now I call it test repository 2. And doesn't matter if they have different names from the local and online one. There is no problem. And just I can make it private or public. That one doesn't matter. Also add readme. This one I don't. Also this one, because I want to push from local to online. Readme, git ignore, license, those ones I have to even not do it now, because for not to get confusion. You can describe it if you want, of course, and you create your repository. Now after creation of your repository, just you come here, you copy that code, and you go in your local, and let me open the integrated terminal. Not in that project, I want it here. I can just come here on terminal, new terminal, and I do clear, I do git init to initialize a GitHub folder inside my project. After that I do git add all, then git commit -m. I can call it first commit on 10 December 2023. Then after that I do git add origin, sorry, git remote add origin, and I paste the link which I copied. I enter. Then from that I can do git push origin main. Now it will push in, it will create first of all the main repository. After created the main repository, it will push all those changes which I have made in my repository here. Now this is well done. If I came here in my test repository number 2, I just refresh. Now you can see I have my file here, first commit 10th December 2023. And if I came here, I can add now readme. I can add, of course, git ignore from here. I can even add readme. Now you will see something. If I add something, adding readme file commit change, yes, so after adding readme, if I came here on my local change and I change something here, I can say like, let us assume this was a comment added. I added a comment, of course this also will be a change. You can see there is something which was made, and I came here, I do git, git add all. After git add all, I do git add all, git commit -m. adding comment, on 10th December 2023. Let me do first. Now you will see that if I try to push online, there will be a problem. If I try to push online, there will be a problem, because now there is online a change which I don't have locally. Let me try to push, and you'll see git push origin main. You can see here, yeah, this is the error I was talking about, because I have a commit which I did online which I don't have local. If someone did a commit and you don't have local, you can't push. You have first of all to get what you have online, you merge it to what you have locally, then you can push. Now what I have to do is git pull origin main. Now after pull, you can see here there is that one. Of course, I have to set up how it will be. The good one to do is to use git config pull rebase, and you put false for to merge. Let me run git config pull dot rebase false. Then after that I can git pull origin main. Now I have this. Now after that, let me do git add all, git commit. Now I can call that commit merge with online changes. Now after that I can do git push origin main. Now it will push the change online. If I came here online and I just refresh, you can see I have readme which is there, and I have that comment. If I open it, there is that comment which I added recently. Thank you very much. That is how we can add an origin from a local file folder or a local project, and you create your repository online and you can push it easily. Thank you very much. Keep tuned and you keep learning together.